Another interesting topic. If you're a poultry farmer and you want to make profit, I have an advice for you today. That advice is you need to know how to produce your own feed. And before you know how to produce your own feed, you need to know how to formulate your own feed. Feed formulation is number one. Feed making is number two. Having the equipment, the machineries to produce the feed is number three. But the ultimate is knowing how to formulate your own feed. If you know how to formulate your own feed, you can use other farmers' machineries or commercial feed mills to do or to prepare your poultry feed. That is why I want to advise you today. If you are making profit from poultry farming, you need to keep aside some portion of that your profit. Don't reinvest all into the same poultry rearing, because once you are not producing your own feed, you are laboring for commercial feed dealers. I don't know how you will make profit when you buy the old chicks from the hatcheries, you buy feed from the market, you buy medications from the market. Many have refused to abide by organic poultry farming, where you make use of grasses that are surrounding your farm to produce effective medications, probiotics, and organic supplements to keep your birds healthy. When you talk about organic, they will tell you they don't know what you're talking about, that you want their birds to die. I don't think those people are reasoning well, because you know that the particular broilers, layers, and other poultry birds were genetically modified from the wild birds. These are birds that are already in the bush. Their genes was used to modify to get all these ones. And those birds never knew any veterinarian. They never knew any clinic. Some of them don't even have anything to do with commercial feed. They know when they are sick. They know the particular herb they will eat and get well. They know the particular antibiotics. They know antifungal. They know antiviral. They know vitamin. They know minerals. Anything they need, they know they want to pick. Most of the times you see them picking sand, swallowing sand. That is what they need by that time. Most especially the laying birds. Once they start laying, you see them picking sand, because they want to fortify the phosphorus and calcium in them. See them, some of them picking charcoal. They know the effectiveness of all these things to their head. So if you say organic poultry farming, you are scared of using organic so that your chicken will not die. It means you don't know what you are actually doing. So let me go back to this. You need to have equipment like this that can produce feed for you. You need to have scale. Go and buy scale. It's not expensive. Even if it is the smallest digital scale of 10 kg, you can even use 10 kg. 10 kg is not up to $10. You can get 10 kg at less than $10. Then you now need crusher. Even if it is slow, this cheapest crusher that can crush corn and other ones, you still need something like this. This one we call it pulverizer, or this one is pulverizer. This particular one is about 5 tons per hour. This is the capacity of this, 5 tons per hour. If you don't have money to buy bigger equipment like this, you can buy 1 ton per hour. It can help you, and it can also serve you also. And it is the means you can use to drop the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock birds and maximize their profit. Because the same profit the commercial feed makers is removing from your profit, the ones the hatcheries are also making. You can as well go into hatchery, get a small incubator, the same broiler you have, prepare your own parent stock, and hatch your own day-old chicks. When they are selling 1,700, they are using the egg of 200 naira. and 21 days incubation and hatch your own day OGs. At the end, the total cost will not be more than 500 naira. But you are buying it 1,000, 2,000, 2,500, 2,300, which is over expenses on the same poultry. At the end, you rear the chicken and you will not be able to make profit. So today, I want to guide you on the steps you can use to make your own profit so that you grow bigger than what you are today. Now, the machine is the first thing. Get grinding machine, get pulverizer or extruder, get crusher, the machine that can be able to crush stones, limestone, bone and oyster shells is the crusher. That's the one that can be able to pieces all these hard ingredients, because you must need them. You must need limestone, you must need bone meal, you must need oyster shell. All these things are necessary. So after this, the next one is mixer. The work of the mixer, I'm taking to the mixer now so that you see how the mixer looks like, is to join all the whole ingredients together and make them to form one particular unit you serve to your poultry beds. So now let's go to the mixer section. After the mixer section, I'll still take you to the pelletizer section, and I'll still same time take you to our factory where we produce all these things. Like the slicing machine, we have them, we have all these ones, we have the mixer, we have them, so we produce them also. So if you need them, I can still produce for you, so that even if it's the cheapest one that we're able to serve you, because you know, no matter how cheap it cannot be cheaper than as it is. So let's go there. Let's go to the mixer section. The thing is the capacity. Like this is 1 ton per 5 minutes. It mixes 1,000 kg in 5 minutes. This is the capacity of this. You can see this is where you pour the raw materials, and I want to on this. If I on this machine now, you will not be able to hear what I'm saying. This is the gear that turns. This is the gear that turns the whole thing up. The work of the gear is to turn and rotate. So ingredients, you can rotate them within 5 minutes. You have produced 1 ton. When at the end you bring it out, you see here. This is where the whole thing comes out from. So this is the mixer. This is what you need as a poultry farmer for you to make profit. Little amount of money, with 6,000 naira, you'll be able to produce 25 kg of feed if you have the equipment. If you don't have the equipment, you use 25,000 naira to buy the same feed you would have used 6,000 naira to produce in your farm. Now let me take you to where we produce most of all these things, so that you have an idea. It doesn't come from the moon. It's somebody that produce all these things, and we make use of them, and we produce our food at a cheap rate. At the same time, maximize our profit. Let's get there. Let's go. This particular machine is a multi-purpose machine. It is a turning machine. It can form different shapes, different objects, and it can at the same time transform any material into the shape you need. It is a turning machine. You can see it working. This is a machine we use to form every of our equipment. The sound is too loud. That's why I reduced it for you to hear me. These ones are already produced turners. They are mixers. Every raw material. It is useful for poultry, feed mills. It is also useful for cement industries. But here we are producing it for feed millers. What you are seeing here is about 250 kg per turning. And this turns within 5 minutes. It is done. You only pour it out and add another ingredient. The work is to mix all the raw materials to form a particular unit. You can see many of them here. You can see these ones. This is where the engine is mounted.
These ones are under construction. They are owned by clients that need them. And they are all farmers also. I don't know what you are waiting for. I don't know why you decide to be walking like an elephant and be feeding like ant. When you have every of your resources to produce your own feed, make your profit, hatch your own day-old chicks, make your own profit also, and you still want to continue buying feed at an exorbitant price in the market. Thank you for watching this till this level. If you find it very interesting, give this video a thumb up and share it to reach more farmers. Let's encourage them to start making their own feed. That's the only way we can bring the cost of producing chicken down. Because when many farmers start producing their own feed and many start hatching their own day-old chicks, this will force the market to come down. Share this video and let it reach more farmers. Bye for now.